Hello. Just wanted to pop on here. I'm laying on the floor right now with Kitty, and yeah, just feeling kind of tired. Was kind of anxious earlier. I uh, I was filming a video for the channel. Actually, two videos. One of them's already up. Um, one of them was really fun. But anyways, like just feeling a little tired. I'm feeling kind of like anxious lately. I don't know if you guys ever feel that. Kind of like pounding. But yeah, I'm just here on the floor, Ladybird. I want to do some long videos for the month, probably coming next week. And I'm thinking I'm going to bring back a series, but I just don't know if I want to commit to a daily series like I did last year and the year before that. It was pretty cool. I did um, Eggmas and good soup, and I cooked the soup every day for 30 days. I invited a, a group of my friends on YouTube, and they came out, and I made all the soups. It was fun. But I don't know, just the way I've been feeling lately, just I don't think I could commit to like a whole 30-day series. So you're going to get a series. I didn't say Siri. Siri just activated over here. So yeah, I can't commit to like a whole 30-day one, but I could do it like maybe once a week. So I'll probably do like a four-parter, and they'll be long. Um, Let me know if you think I should do good soup or if I should do just Vlogtober. I did Vlogtober 2 years ago. That was a lot of fun too. Yeah. I don't know. I'm just going to do stuff that I think is fun for the channel. Because at the end of the day, this is why I started doing this, just because it's fun and I like doing it. But now it's kind of weird because I do this full time now. This is like my, no, not like, this is my full time thing. Right, Kitty? Um, yeah, it's my full time thing. So the pressure could be kind of real. Could be kind of real, you know? Because when it's your full time thing, it's all on you to make it work. And I don't mean you. I don't mean you. I mean me. It's all on me to make it work. I got this ring thing. I don't like rings. I don't wear rings, but this thing tracks my heart, tracks my sleep, makes sure that I'm on track because I got to stay on track because like I said, it's all on me. I have a high respect for all the creators, or not even just creators, just business owners, to be honest. It's just pressure can be real. I can't imagine having employees. My gosh, that would be rough. Like having to worry about other people on top of you, that's a whole other thing. But yeah, anyways, just wanted to pop on here and talk about that. But yeah, how's everything else going? How have y'all been? I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a minute. Sometimes we talk on the Discord page. There's quite a few of you on there, like a few, like 6,000 of you on there, just a little bit. I haven't talked to you guys in a minute though. Curious to see how you guys are doing. I'll pop in on this comment section while this video is up, and I'll come say hi and see what's up, see how you're doing. I ran into some OGs the other day. It's crazy when I see people that I've been watching since 5 years ago. I've been doing this for quite a while, but one of them brought up the Good Steak series, and that was from years ago. So that was pretty neat. He happened to be my doctor in the emergency room. That was funny. Um, but yeah, no, I've been running into quite a few of you in town because I moved to another area called Kirkland. Kirkland, it's beautiful, man. It's if you haven't been, come check it out. Come walk around. You might run into me. Who knows? You might run into me here in Kirkland. This is where I live now. It's also known as the brand at Costco for you avid Costco shoppers. I don't shop there often enough. But yeah, on the waterfront, it's absolutely stunning. It is such a stunning place. Um, Definitely, this is this is my favorite place I've lived at all of my 10 years in Seattle, or even ever. Yeah, this is my favorite place I've lived ever. Actually, it's so beautiful. I love Seattle. Don't get me wrong, but it's nice to be outside of the what Seattle's become. It's just Seattle's become pretty bad. It's nice to visit, but to live, I couldn't do it anymore. Where was I? Oh yeah, I was talking to you guys, running into you guys. Yeah, I mean, pop in on here. I'd love to talk to you. Even on the Discord, it seems like it's quite active still. I have to pop on there soon. I'm building out, or my buddy Kenjay, he's building out a recipe book on the Discord. A lot of you have been asking as well, like, where's the recipes? They're not on the website anymore because I'm working on a cookbook. I'm working on a cookbook, and that's coming out. I can't say when. Can't say when, but it's coming out soon. And there's a lot of recipes I can't post to the internet right now. So the website's down, but I'm going to build it out on Discord. So if you want to stay tuned, stay up to date with the recipes, just go on the Discord, and I like to chat with you guys on there. And other people are very helpful too. They come and chat about recipes too and other stuff. People chat about everything on there. It's really random, Discord. It's like a whole little community, you know? Um, where was I going with this video? I don't know. This is what I do. I do this after my videos, after my shoots. I come and I lay on the floor. What do you think, by the way, of this carpet? It's pretty comfortable. I've had some expensive carpets back in the day, but this one, 150 bucks, Home Depot. It's pretty comfy. Um, yeah, this is what I do. Lay on the floor after the video's been edited and filmed, and I just lay here and chill. Does anyone else do that when they feel anxious? Just try to lay on the floor and chill. The heart fluttering, it gets real. Anyways, hi.